Hi y'all, welcome back to my channel. We're starting by looking at my pea shoots. They're growing pretty big. I'm thinking about putting them into the system. Great root structure. Next, we're going to look at my okra sprouts. They germinated so quickly and grew so fast. You can see them in the back there in my box. And you can see them popping out of my water bottle planter. You can't really see roots yet, but I know they found their way to the water because they're growing. These are my collard greens. I planted some in this water bottle planter as well as on one of my saucer planters. Looks like you could use a misting. So I sprayed a little bit and recover the planter. They look good though. They're growing without any issues. Like when I put my other ones in the system, I'm gonna wait for these to get bigger before I put them in the system. Same with these. This is my parsley. My parsley is doing a lot better than last time. Let's give that one a misting as well. I can't wait for them to get bigger. Lastly, from this section of my garden are my broccoli seeds. I replanted what I had left over, and I hope to put these back into the system once they're more mature. You're not supposed to put plants into the system if they don't have a set of true leaves. Look at my roots, beautiful. But these don't have true leaves, so they will not get planted yet. Here are those colored microgreens I told you about. You can't really see the roots. It's blurry in this image. Here are my cabbage seedlings. They're looking all right. I changed the nutrient yesterday and made sure the lights were closer to them so that they weren't lacking any light. I also left the light on for 9 hours. Most plants need a full 6 to 8. Here's my okra in the very back. They're such champs. They're huge. Here are my lettuce seedlings. Several of them found their roots to the water. So they're quite happy. They're standing up on their own. I'm trying to show you the roots here. You can kind of see them, but not well. Here are more broccoli seedlings. I was hoping to make them into microgreens. In one of my water bottle planters, I have some beans. These in particular are called Blue Lake stringless beans. I'm gonna cover them back up till they germinate. some more beans. These are Kitchen King beans, another variety. They haven't quite germinated yet. Ignore my clothes. I'm having my garden on top of my dresser. Last variety of beans. These are also Blue Lake, but they're the 156 variety. They have not germinated either. And then last but not least, my dragon fruit seedlings. It was more of an experiment than anything. I just wanted to see if I could get them to grow on paper towel. But dragon fruit are tropical fruits, so the likelihood that they're gonna survive is slim. You can't eat the sprouts. They taste too bitter, like cactus, because they are cactus. Trying to decide if I should seed them in the dirt that I have or if I should seed my snapdragons. Here are some cilantro seeds. All but one of my last planted did not germinate. So I'm trying again. This time they are under my bed in the dark where it's cool. It takes 7 to 14 days for those to germinate. Also, I would like to introduce you to my compost pile. I started composting. They're just sitting in water because I'm gonna take that liquid from the compost and use it as a fertilizer in the system. I also ordered some worm tea to help with decomposition. That hasn't come yet. Here I have some spinach seeds that I've been keeping in the dark and at room temperature. They haven't germinated yet, but they also have a long germination time. We'll see how well these do. Again, they like the dark to germinate, so I cover it and leave it alone. Finally, last but not least, are my snapdragons. I love these flowers when they're fully mature. They're beautiful. And here are some seedlings. They had flopped over a couple days ago because I let the paper towel they're on dry out. But they seem okay now. Can't decide if I want to plant these or if I want to plant the dragon fruit. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below which ones you think I should plant in the dirt. Here's said dirt. Let me know.